Hello nurse, welcome to Ahmad Coaching and I'm your teacher Dr. Anam. Today we are going to study about phenotype and genotype. In a cell, all the information is stored in a DNA. What will be your eye color, what will be your hair color, your height, each and every information is stored in DNA. And this information is converted into the protein, and in the form of protein the information stored in the DNA is expressed. It means that the protein is actually expressing the information of DNA, so it is phenotype, while the information stored in the DNA is actually genotype. As the name indicates, it is coming from the gene, and genes are present in the DNA. Similarly, the phenotypes, they are actually coming from the appearance. To understand this, let's take an example. We know there are 4 different blood groups in human: blood group A, blood group B, AB and O. These are the blood groups based on the proteins. It means that if the protein A is present, it means that blood group will be A. If the protein B is present, then blood group B. If both proteins are present, then blood group A and B. And if no protein is present, the blood group is going to be O. So this is the phenotype. Now, the information of all these phenotypes is stored in the genes. So we know that if a person has a genetic combination of IAA or IA and small I, that person will have blood group A. If the gene is IB or IB and small I, the person is going to have a blood group B. And if a person having IA and IB genes, then the person will have a blood group AB. And if both alleles, they are small I, the person will have a blood group of O. And this all information is stored in the DNA. So the phenotype is the form of appearance of a trait. The trait is actually here blood group. So any trait means characteristic. For example, blue eye, brown eye, black eye, these all are the traits. Similarly, black hair, brown hair, red hair, blonde hair, they all are traits, and the information is stored in the DNA. So the genotype is the genetic combination of a particular trait. For example, here we can see this is a genetic combination for this particular trait. Similarly, if you have a red flower and if you have a white flower, the white and red color is actually phenotype because they are appearing, while the information stored in the gene related to that phenotype will be known as genotype. So always remember, whenever you are talking about the genes or the DNA, it will be genotype, and anything that is apparent, it is going to be the phenotype. So that was phenotype and genotype. Hope this is clear to you. If you still have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.